Welcome everybody to this new video of TechQuest. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fulfill the Shopify orders with the actual SendDrop. So to get started here, let's check out the actual SendDrop. Now SendDrop is an amazing powerful dropshipping application that can be helping you to get started with the fulfillment orders. So whether you are new into dropshipping or looking for an efficient fulfillment solution, this tutorial will help you to get started. So first of all, let's dive into how we can get started. First of all, what I'm going to be doing here is to install the Shopify and make sure everything is now being correctly installed. Just focus into the left part that says Sales Channel. Down below we have Applications. Just click here into Apps, and here into the upper side, what you want to do is to look out for SendDrop. If you don't see that, what you can do is to just look out for more application directly here into the actual Shopify App Store, and hit now into making the installation. Once they make the installation process, here should be appearing your actual application of SendDrop and all the applications directly inside here. So once you are inside the actual SendDrop, the connection of your actual store between SendDrop and the Shopify should be appearing automatically. But here what you want to do is to make sure that here into the upper side here appears the logo of Shopify and of course the name of your actual account. So once you have now successfully done that, you wanted to make sure now that the integration is now appearing here correctly. Just focus directly into the upper side, have your account, and here go directly into your profile. Once you make sure that your actual account, if you click there and it took you directly into the admin studio of Shopify, that means that the integration actually works. If you don't, you need to download the application once again inside the Shopify App Store so that the actual integration should be done automatically. Now, let's of course import products into SendDrop, of course, from SendDrop directly into Shopify. So here, what you can do is to import products from SendDrop directly by browsing the products catalog, and here select the products you wanted to add to the store. So here, what you can do is to look out for new arrivals. What you can do is to filter here all the categories, the supplier, the categories, once again the shipping from anywhere. Let's say for example that I choose new arrivals and I want to choose add to my products. So what you want to do is to make sure that you have products that you can add directly totally for free. Once you have added those products directly into my products, what you want to do is to of course choose the import list and hit into review and publish. Here into review and publish you can see the product name, the product type, the collection, and of course description, variants, and images. So I can choose the product name, for example neon yellow windbreaker. I delete this and I just type set 3 2 1. Well, let's go for set 3 and 1 like this, and I could choose the product type and the collection. I can add this into a new collection if you don't have one collection. So after that, you want to check out the description, check out the variants, and check out the images. Once you have successfully done that, make sure that the sale price is here appearing into the actual profit. For example, I'm going to make this a little bit much more less like this. Let's say 178, and here hit now into import. Once done that, you can see that here appears your store list and the sourcing, and here all your products are going to be imported directly into Shopify. For that, what you want to do is to make sure that your actual products are now inside here inside Shopify, and choose the option that says products. And here, as you can see, it should be appearing all our products that have been imported from the actual dropshipper supplier. Once you have successfully done that, let's configure now the product settings inside the Shopify. So after you have now checked out all your actual products imported, now to set up automatic fulfillment directly here into SendDrop, what you want to do is to make sure that first of all your product has now been imported correctly. Once it's importing correctly, what you want to do is to make sure that here focus into SendDrop. Here into SendDrop account, go into settings, or just focus into the left part that says orders. Here what you can do is to streamline the order fulfillment. This ensures that when a customer places an order on the Shopify store, the order details are automatically sent directly into SendDrop for processing. So here when somebody made an order, when somebody purchased one product, here this order should be appearing here into the left part that says orders. Now this order automatically should be delivered directly here into SendDrop, and here should be appearing here where it says orders. So here as you can see we have paid, unpaid, linked or sources, and here into issues. So I just wanted to enable the auto fulfillment. Of course, what you're going to do, of course, is to have an actual plan to access this feature. But in this case, I'm going to just show you how to do it. So just here to enable the auto fulfillment tool, check out the actual link to sources, and choose the option that says export the order so you can make the process automatically. And lastly, what you can do is to monitor and manage them orders. When a customer places an order into Shopify store, SendDrop will automatically receive the order details. So here what you can do is just track the order shipping progress and manage any issues to be erased. And now that you have the actual information about your customer, you can just enter or send an email and the tracking information. All of this comes from SendDrop. And you can of course focus into optimizing the fulfillment process. Just to optimize, what you can do is to adjust the pricing, the product description, the shipping options based on the customer feedback. So you can use the SendDrop analytics here into the dashboard so you can analyze the tools, the performance, the data-driven decisions to improve your business. With that being said, guys, you have not failed to the end of the video. That's how you can fulfill the Shopify orders using SendDrop. So we hope this guide helps you streamline your dropshipping business and provide a seamless experience for your customers. Now, if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to TechExpress for more e-commerce tutorials and tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can leave a comment down below in the section. And thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.